All right, let's get into it. So we're starting with a beautiful cut of ribeye steak, guys. Before the seasoning even touches the steak, I'm going to add my olive oil. You know, this isn't just for the pan. It's just going to act as a binder to help every bit of the flavor soak right into the grain. Now for the heavy hitter, 1 tablespoon of my all-purpose seasoning blend. Don't be shy with it, guys. You know, make sure it's nicely seasoned edge to edge, pressing it in so it stays put. While that's getting ready, while that's marinated, you know, we're gonna get our pan nice and hot, smoking hot. And once it becomes hot, we're gonna turn that heat down to medium heat. You know, add some olive oil to it, just a little bit, not too much, about a tablespoon. It's time to add my steak. The pan is hot, so we're gonna go ahead and lay it down. We're going for 4 minutes, guys, on the first side, all right? So right away, I'm dropping in the aromatics, the fresh garlic, sprigs of thyme, and some habanero peppers for that extra heat. I like adding the herbs, you know, in these first 4 minutes. It lets the oil kind of soak up some of that earthy, spicy fragrance while the steak sears. Look at that color, guys. Look at that beautiful sear. Now we're adding a little more oil and a tablespoon of salted butter. As that butter, you know, melts and foams up, it's kind of picking up that heat from the habanero and the essence of the thyme. 4 more minutes, guys, on this side. You know, we're ready to go. Right now, guys, I'm just basting as we go. You know, add that butter to the top of the steak. You know, it's gonna build a nice crust, give it a nice nutty flavor, guys. All right, now, so while the steak is finishing up, guys, we're gonna cut some asparagus. We're gonna drop it into that same skillet, that same oil. You know, we're not even gonna wash the pan. We're just gonna use the same skillet, guys. All right, so we want these to be tender, crispy. You know, we're just gonna add a little bit of all-purpose seasoning to it, about a half teaspoon or teaspoon or so. You know, basically to your own liking, whatever amount you wanna use, guys. So once the steak and asparagus are done, we're just gonna let them rest for a few minutes. Time to build our massive sauce. We're adding some garlic, some thyme, some more habanero, guys. You know, add a knob of butter, you know, about 2 tablespoons, and a dusting of flour to build our roux. Once that's toasted, we're layering the umami, a few tablespoons of soy sauce, and a tablespoon of hoisin for that rich, dark sweetness. Pouring, you know, a half cup of water, bring it up to a boil, and then just let it simmer. Watch it reduce, guys, until it becomes thick enough to coat the back of a spoon. Oh my God. Woo! I'm excited, guys. Now, the moment of truth. We're gonna slice that steak against the grain, baby. My steak is looking perfect, guys. Beautiful. Oh yeah, the heat from the habanero is right there. You know, it's packed with a bunch of flavor, so juicy, guys. We're just gonna pour that rich dark gravy right over the top, and we're ready to eat. I can't wait to try this, guys. Oh my God. I think this is the best steak ever, guys. You definitely got to try this out. If you enjoyed watching the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. Peace.